print your vendor list, go to the vendor list, click on Reports, click I want to, choose Run a Report. Here you can choose your vendor summary, your vendor list, or your vendor exchange. We want to print our vendor list, so we will choose this option. Here we can memorize this report, manage this report. You can add this report to your dashboard. You can add or remove columns. You can filter data. You can change the report appearance. You can set the report access level, and you can show the print preview. Now these will be gone over in further detail in the report section.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.